Then what is child labor? Not all work, listen carefully, not all work done by the children should be classified as child labor. Means few of them may put rangolis in front of your house every day morning. Some of them assist your mummy in the kitchen. Some of them sweep and mop the house. Some of them have the habit of gardening. Some of them have the habit of teaching your younger ones. This all is not called child labor, children. And sometimes you have seen your elder brother, sister, or in surrounding, in your neighborhood, you have seen some of the college children, they go to work during their free time. They may work in the petrol bunk, some work in the medical shop, some may work in the clothes store. This is not called the child labor. This is called assisting the family. Assisting in the family business or earning pocket money outside the school hours and during school holidays. These kind of activities contribute children to develop and welfare their families. Then what is child labor? I think you have gone to the hotels. When you go to hotels, sometimes you see children are working, mopping the table, maybe serving you people. And sometimes you have, when you pass by the way, you have seen the children begging. You are younger than you or elder than you. They are begging sometimes to feed themselves. In some ways, some children are sitting on the footpath to polish their shoes, your shoes. And in some ways, you have seen the children with lame, no legs, and sometimes hand is broken or eyes. They are blind, begging for the money. And beyond this, some children carry their overloaded luggage to feed.
I pledge to say no to child labor.
I pledge to say no to child labor.
And also rise against it.
Rise against it.
I pledge that children should not work on fields.
Children should not work on fields.
But should be motivated. On fulfilling their dreams. I pledge to create awareness. About the ill effects of child labor. By encouraging every person, especially the youth, who are an important member of the society. I pledge not to give children tools, but to send them to schools. I pledge to report incidents of child labor to the police station or on pencil portal of the Ministry of Labor and Employment. I pledge to put an end to this menace of child labor and create a healthy and progressive society for our children.